Say that in computer language, which some of you will know is also called binary or base 2 system, we'll just call it computer counting or computer language. Say that in computer counting we have 1 0 1 0 1 marbles. What does that mean? Well, let's go from the smallest side up. Go from the smallest up to the largest side. That means that we've got one stray marble. Then I've got 0 of the smallest packages that I can make. 1 of the next sized up medium packages. I've got 0 of the next size up large package, and then I've got 1 of the next size up extra large package. So 1 0 1 0 1 corresponds to this many marbles, where I've taken away, if I've got 0 of these sizes and just exactly 1 of each of these, then that means I just copy these packages down here, and this many marbles is exactly what we've represented by here. Now, this is with just ones and zeros. We've represented this many marbles, which is more than the fingers on both hands. In fact, this is just slightly more than all the fingers and toes that you've got. And all you needed was the computer just had an on and off switch. It essentially had 2 fingers, a 1 and a 0. And just with 2-fingered counting, the computer was able to keep track of all of these marbles, and of course it can go much larger. Now, just one note here: when we're writing numbers in computer language, we generally put this little 2 subscript here on the numbers, just to avoid confusion, because notice there could be confusion if I say that I write 1 0. Well, since I'm using the same numbers that I would use if I was counting in the two-handed system, there's confusion here. Does this mean this means 1 small package and 0 left over, but 1 small package of what size? What is my small size package? Or say that I had 1 1 0. Well, I know that I have 1 medium-sized package, 1 small-sized package, and 0 left over. But what are my package sizes? There could be confusion there, and so we write, when we're talking in computer language, we write this just small little 2 subscript to tell us that we're dealing with packages of size 2, just to avoid confusion, so nobody thinks that we're talking with packages of size 10 or some other size. We've got another example here. So in computer language, little base subscript 2 there, and in computer language, if we've got 1 1 0 0 1 0 marbles, what does that mean? Well, let's go from left to right this time. It means I've got 1 of the largest package size that I'm working with in the current context. Then I've got this one goes to here. This one of the next smaller size. 0 of the next smaller size down. 0 of the next smaller size down. 1 of the next smaller size down. And then 0 of the single unpackaged marbles. So again, I kind of ran out of paper to draw it on this particular page, but you can, we can just edit here. The ones that we've got 0 of, we can just delete those out, and the ones that the rest we've just got 1 of them. So that means that this number 110010 in computer language represents exactly the number of marbles shown with the dots in this picture.